Powerful clean, effectively clean various stains from carpets and upholstery, strong enough to pull out moisture and dirt. Reduce drying time, ease of use, easy to set up and operate. Simply fill the clean water tank with water and BISSELL cleaning solution. Then use the spray and suction functions to clean spots. Compact and portable, its small size makes it easy to store and transport. Short hose, the hose is short, quite loud during operation. On maintenance, challenging to clean, the main accessory tool. As the see-through lid, it's difficult to remove. Removing it from underneath is a highly recommended